Okay, question 11. A sum of money can be used to buy 8 identical wallets or 20 identical keychains. Each wallet costs $14.40 more than each keychain. So the first statement tells me that the total value of 8 wallets is the same as the total value of 20 keychains, right? A sum of money can buy either 8 wallets or 20 keychains. So 8 wallets must have the same value as 20 keychains. That's why I put equal. Got it? Now, the second statement tells you a wallet costs $14.40 more than a keychain. So meaning a wallet will be equal to a keychain plus another $14.40. Okay, a wallet will be equal to a keychain plus another $14.40. Now, I got two statements. The question is asking what's the value of a keychain. I am not interested in a wallet, right? So if I'm not interested in wallet, I will make wallet the same in these two statements, right? So easy, I just multiply by this statement by 8, so I can change this to 8 wallets. Okay, make sure you multiply across, don't just multiply this 8, this by 8, and the rest you didn't multiply. So multiply the rest, 8W, 8K keychain, and then 1440 times 8, you get 115 and 20 cents. Now, you can see 8 wallet is 20 keychain. So I can replace this 8 wallet with 20 keychain. Okay, so I replace this 8 wallet with 20 keychain. My new statement will be 20 keychain is equal to 8 keychain plus 11, 115 and 20 cents. So this 20, this 8, then this have to be 12 keychain. Okay, 12 keychain is 115 and 20 cents. One keychain is $9.60. So this is how you approach. If you are looking for keychain, make wallets the same. You're looking for wallets, make keychain the same.